Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the topic on material control. Material control. In simple words, material control refers to the various measures adopted to reduce the amount of loss of material at the time of receiving, storing, and issuing the raw materials. Material control in practice is exercised through periodical records and reports related to purchase receipts, incentives, storage, and issuing direct and indirect materials. Proper control over material can be contributed constantly to efficiency of the business. Objective of materials control to enable uninterrupted production. The main objective of material control is to ensure smooth and unrestrictable production, to ensure requisite quantity of materials. The quantity of finished products depends mainly on the quality of the raw materials used. If quality of the raw materials is up the desired standards, the end product will be desired quantity and quality, which affected the sale of product in the market, resulting in the loss of profit as well as the goodwill of the concern. It is of vital importance to exercise strict control and supervision of over the purchases, storage, and handling of materials. To fix responsibility, a proper system of materials control can also aims to fixing responsibility of operating units and individuals connected with the purchase, storage, and handling of materials. To provide information, another objective of material control is to provide accurate information regarding material cost and inventory wherever needed by the management. Necessity and importance of material control. For keeping the stock of raw materials within limits in the stores, for example, to avoid overstocking and understocking of raw materials, material control insignificant. It ensures proper storage of materials for the proper preservation and safety of materials. Adequate storage facilities are to be provided with the help of proper storing of materials, quantity of materials as well as the required can be issued to various jobs. For knowing proper cost of production, control over materials is incentivized. Certain techniques and methods are developed under the system of material control, thereby ensuring optimum utilization of materials. In order to undertake continuous checking of materials, the necessity of a proper system of material control cannot be ignored. Advantages of material control. Material control eliminates wastage of raw materials and supplies in course of purchase, storage, handling and use. It ensures uninterrupted flow of right quantity and quality of materials to be production department. It ensures the risk of fraud and theft. It facilitates the preparation of various monthly financial statements. The valuation of materials is very easy. It requires minimum amount of capital to be buy materials. It fixed the responsibility on the part of employees who are handling the materials at the maximum. Essentials of material control. Coordination. Effective control of material requires effective coordination among the departments involved in the purchasing, receiving, and inspections, storage, production, sales, and accounts department so that adequate materials are available for continuous production and sales. At the same time, execution investment in materials and overstocking is avoided. Centralized purchasing. In order to economize the buying and the avoid riskless buying of materials, materials, and the purchasing of function is to be centralized. Proper scheduling of materials requirements ensures availability of materials at the right time. Classification and codification of materials leads to be easy significance, identification, and the proper control of materials. Bin card. Bin card is the record maintained under the perpetual inventory system by the stores department ensures the quantity of material received, issued, and balanced in hand after each receipt and issue. It is also known as stock card and bin tag. It records only quantity of materials, not the value of bin card in the statement of all receipts and issues of the stock from the store department. It is also called as stock card and bin tag. It is the responsibility of the storekeeper to write every in and out of stock from the store. The physical book and the physical account stock account and the stock quantity reported according to the bin card should be equal. Store's ledger. A store's ledger is a manual or computer record of raw materials and production supplies stored in the production facility. It is maintained by the person responsible for these assets, such as warehouse manager. Advantages of bin card. As bin card is maintained for each item of inventory, the storekeeper is well aware about the stock position. On each bin card, he or she can write a minimum stock and maximum stock level that in case any item of inventory is touching minimum level, he or she can create a purchase requisition for the fresh supply of goods or stock. Bin card is an important inventory control technique and it is used in various formats. There is no specific format of bin card as organization can design their own stock card according to their requirements and reporting analysis. Meaning of ABC analysis. For selective inventory control, three classes of materials and more than they have been found in convenient. This is known as generally ABC qualification. The alphabets A, B, and C stand for three different classes and it is properly known as always better control. ABC analysis is the basic analytical management tool. The greatest effort of the greatest results is ultimate wild of such analysis of materials. There are areas in material management which needed selective control such as inventory, critically of items, absolute stocks, purchasing order, receipts of materials, inspections, storekeeping, and verification of bills. The annual consumption analysis on the basis of money value indicates that about 10% of high value items account for the sustainable portion of about 75% of total consumption value. There are vital A basis 70% of total number of items and trivial there are both bottom items according to 10% of consumption value and termed as C in between A and C items between top and bottom items could be known as B category items. Objectives of ABC analysis. The ultimate objective of ABC analysis is to ensure economy through the efficient managers and the materials of management. It has also objective the developing policies, guidelines for selective control. This great attention to the great material is not only specific but also very much pregnant pragmatically for this due to weightable to managerial materials on the basis of their consumption value. The items of AA ensures better materials planning, forecasting, ordering, review, record, posting, revision, lead time analysis, safety stock, material consumption control, purchase, purchase budget, delivery schedule, value analysis follow up, efforts, physical stock, delivery schedule, value analysis follow up, stores accounting and inspection. The objective of securing all over efficiency in management and material is then assured through ABC analysis. Thank you.